Hello. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate for IRB reviewers how to view changes in a submission that has already undergone at least one round of review prior to you receiving it. The way to do this is to navigate to the main study workspace and then click the View Differences button. This will open up the Smart Form in a way that will highlight changes that have been made in the submission. At the top of the navigation bar, it will tell you which version it is comparing it with. So the first thing that displays will be the most recent version. The second thing that displays will be the version it is being compared with. And the third thing that displays is the number of changed items within the Smart Form. In this case, there are 14. If you want to compare with an earlier version, let's say you want to go back to the initial submission, you would click that caret button next to the second version that is being displayed, and then select the version you wish to compare it with. In this case, we'll choose initial submission. Give that a chance to load, and all the changes since the initial submission will be highlighted within the Smart Form. Pages that have edits on them will have this pencil icon on the right. So scroll through the side navigation bar and take a look at all of the pages that have the pencil icon indicating that changes have been made. Numerical values will display in this way when they've been changed. You'll see the current value in the response to the question, and then in a box beneath it you'll see the old value. Text-based changes display a little bit differently. So within the response to the question, you'll see red with a strike through for things that have been deleted, and then green highlighted text for text that has been added. And it will also display the entirety of the old value in a box below. Another way to view changes is if there is a reviewer note associated with the question that has the change, click on the speech bubble icon to open the reviewer note. Here you will see a Change History tab. Changes to a question will display on this side if there are any changes. You can collapse this menu by clicking the caret buttons and open it by clicking them again. You can view replies to reviewer notes, and then you can close. Changes in checkbox questions will appear in this way. It will indicate which checkbox was added first, and then will indicate which ones have been removed second. Questions that were previously hidden will have this hidden arrow visible icon to show that the question was previously hidden and has now become visible based on a response to a previous question. The rest of the changes will appear in these manners. Document changes will appear this way. If documents have been added, they will appear first, and the document that was added, the file name will display. If a document was modified, it will say changed, and the file name of the document as well as the version in parentheses. Click the caret to expand to see a little bit more about what version was overwritten by the new version. It is possible to log more than one reviewer note on a single question. So for example, open up the reviewer note that was previously logged. Enter a new reviewer note. Click OK. Then close. And you will see that now there is a number 2 in the speech bubble icon, and the red dot has returned to the top of it, indicating that there is now a reviewer note that requires changes. When you have completed reviewing changes, click Exit and return to the main study workspace.